Melissa here with Epson Labelworks and the LW-PX900. This is part 2 of our label series on how to use the Edit Format button to design your labels. So let's take a look and let's make a label. So I already entered in the 3 lines of text that I wanted on my label. So now I'm going to go ahead and just move my cursor to the top line and I'm going to start my editing there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press that edit menu, and the first thing I want to do is center my text. So I'm going to go to layout and I'm going to select center, press return. Now you'll notice throughout this feature when you click on various items it's going to ask you area. So what that means is where do you want to apply this change? For this option for centering, it's giving me the option of whole label or this block. Well, I want to apply this to the whole label, so I'm going to just press return and it will center all 3 lines of text. Now I'm going to hit that edit menu again and I'm going to change this top line to be an outline. So you move your cursor to the one you want and hit return. Perfect. Now you'll see it's asking me the area again, but now I have a few more options. I could apply it to just the character, to the whole label, to this line or this block. For this one, I want it on this line and I'm going to go ahead and hit return. Now you see how it puts that little triangle before the text? That's not going to print. That's just showing me that it's applied something special to that part of the label. Now I'm going to leave the second line as is and I'm going to go down to the 3rd line and let's hit that edit again. Now on this one, I want to apply a style, but I'm actually going to do a shadow and an outline. I think this looks really nice, so I'm going to go to that one and press return. Again, it asks me where I want to apply this, and again, I want to apply it to this line. All right, so now we've got the label formatted, but I want to change the font size as well. So let's go ahead and hit that edit menu again, and we're going to scroll down to font size. Now again, you have this button on your keyboard, but being this video is about the edit menu, I thought we'd change it there. So I'm going to go down, hit return on font size, and here you have 3 options. We have auto, preset, and manual. We want manual. So I'm going to go down, press return, and now I know for this label I want line 1 and 3 to be 26-point font, and then the middle I'm just going to let that one auto adjust. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. So I will just go to use your left right arrows, set it to 26, good. Now go down, skip the 2nd line, go to the 3rd line, and again set this one to 26. When you're done setting them however you wanted it to be, press return. And it says, do you want to apply this to the whole label? I'm going to hit return, yes please. Wonderful. And now it has gone and made all of those changes to my label. If you needed to make any other changes, go ahead and do that, but I'm ready to push print. All right, that was exactly the label I was looking to print. Well, if you have questions on the LW-PX900, formatting your label, or you want to chat with us about your labeling applications, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.